Graphing inequalities. This video is not going to cover solving inequalities, so if you're needing help with that, please see Mrs. Bateman. So graphing inequalities. We have 4 types of inequalities. We've got greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These two, when graphing, will have an open circle. These two, when graphing, will have a closed circle. Because when it says or equals to, the number we're comparing to is included in the set of solutions. Let's see some examples. If I had x is greater than 2 on my number line, I would put my circle at 2, I would leave it open, and I would shade it to the right, because numbers to the right are greater than 2. If I had x is less than -4, draw my number line, place my circle at -4, leave it open because -4 is not less than -4, and then I would shade my number line to the left because the numbers to the left of -4 are less than -4. If I had x is greater than or equal to 10, draw my number line, place my circle at 10, but this time I am going to shade it in because 10 is greater than or equal to 10. And then I would shade my number line to the right because numbers to the right are greater than or equal to 10. And then finally, if I had x is less than or equal to 8, draw my number line, place my circle at 8. Once again, I'm going to shade it in because 8 is less than or equal to 8. And then I would shade my number line to the left because numbers to the left are less than or equal to 8. The final thing that we're going to talk about is what happens whenever we multiply or divide by a negative number. When you are solving your inequality, if at any point you multiply or divide by a negative number, don't forget to flip your inequality sign.